You got the ball? Roll it. Back up. You gotta back up. It's okay. Try again. Back up. Back up. You gotta back up. Keep going. Keep going. Back to the couch. Back up some more. Back up. Now put your hands up. Put your hand up. Okay, now grab your ball. You got it? Now roll it. Good job. Okay, grab the ball. Roll it. Oh, good try. Okay, back up. Now grab your ball again. Oh, 3 more again. Stand up. Back up. You gotta back up. Grab your ball. Put your hands up. Hands up. Okay, grab your ball. You got it? Alright. Back up some. You gotta back up, baby. I need you to back up. Back up towards the couch. Come on, you can get a strike. You can do it.
Okay.
Grab the ball. You got it? Back up. You gotta back up. Grab your ball again. Now back up. Go. There you go. You did it. Okay, grab your ball. Stay right there and roll it. Might be a strike. All right, Layla did it. Did you do a strike?
Yes.
You got it. Congratulations. Yeah. Okay, get your ball. Alrighty. You did it. Grab the ball again. Roll it. Back up. Uh-oh. Okay, back up. You gotta back up, baby. You have to back up or it won't work. There you go. Okay, now put your hands up. Okay, grab your ball. No, you gotta back up. You gotta stay backed up. See there, that says move back. There you go. Now grab your ball. Now roll it. You have to back up, baby.